welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney, and we're here with another Sunday sew along, or as we were doing in July, greatest tutorial hits. And today I am talking you all through everything to do with zippers. So last year I had a lot of questions on how I do just all my different zipper insertion techniques. So I have done a full series of zippers, how to do an exposed zipper, an invisible zipper, a lap zipper, and the exposed zipper two ways, like with the teeth on the outside or the tape on the outside or the tape on the inside. I've done a whole bunch of zipper tutorials here on the channel, and so I'm going to link all the zipper tutorials that I can the fly zip for the front of jeans. I get tons of questions on that. All of that I'm going to leave linked down below. Zippers they can be scary. You know, you can easily break needles on them if you're not careful. Nothing worse than taking a zipper stop up and it flying off the end of the tape. I've done that a few times. But yeah, they don't have to be that scary. Once you've done a few zippers, I mean, invisible zippers are my go-to for dresses and skirts and that sort of thing. Although I will walk you, I've got tutorials that I'll link down below for all of those. But they really don't have to be that scary. And once you get them down, once you have the right tools, you'll be flying through them in no time. It'll be your favorite type of closure. But I do get a lot of questions, so I wanted to have all of those tutorials easily in one place for you guys to be able to grab them. So as always, they are all linked in the description box. The description box is right below the title of the video if you're watching this on a computer or a tablet or iPhone, whatever. Couple lines of text will be there. If you click on the three little dots or the show more or the drop down arrow, that drops down the description box. I always have a ton of links in those description box. So if you ever have a question about anything I'm talking about or anything I'm wearing or any of that, a lot of it is in that description box. So those videos will all be linked there so you can easily find them when you are doing a project and you need to reference back to them. Okay, guys, these are kind of short and sweet, these Sunday videos right now, but yeah, I just wanted a place to pool all those tutorials together because I still get a lot of questions on them and make them easier for you all to find and reference. All right, that is all I have for today. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you're getting some sewing in, and I will see you all again on Tuesday. Bye.